In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace on Notion. If you are part of multiple workspaces in Notion, it's easy to accidentally stay connected to one you no longer need. Leaving a workspace is a simple process. But it's important to make sure you are working in the correct one before you confirm anything. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. To begin, you'll see the name of your current workspace there. Click that workspace name to open the Workspace switcher. This is where Notion shows all the workspaces connected to your account. From that list, select the workspace you want to leave. Take a moment here to double-check that you've chosen the right one, especially if several workspace names look similar. Once you've switched into the correct workspace, move your attention to the left sidebar. In that sidebar, click Settings and Members. In some versions of Notion, this may appear simply as Settings. So don't worry if the wording is slightly different. This area contains the main controls for the workspace you are currently in. After the Settings panel opens, look through the menu and select General under the Workspace section. The General page includes the core workspace options. So this is where you'll find broader controls rather than page-specific settings. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the General Settings page. Near the bottom, you'll find a section labeled Danger Zone. Notion places more permanent workspace actions here. So this is the area to review carefully before clicking anything. When you see the Leave Workspace option, click the Leave Workspace button. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. If you are certain, select Leave in that prompt to confirm your action. Once you do that, Notion will remove you from that workspace and you'll no longer see its pages or content unless someone invites you back again later. Before you leave, it's a good idea to make sure here is nothing inside that workspace you still need access to, since leaving can affect what you are able to view going forward. That's all it takes to leave a workspace on Notion, as long as you switch into the correct workspace first. Open the settings, go to General, scroll to the Danger Zone and confirm the Leave Workspace option. The process is quick and straightforward.